Ever felt like a course needed a serious overhaul? We're diving into a paper that tackles exactly that, a complete curriculum redesign.
It's a fascinating case study. Shows how they completely revamped a teaching certificate program.
Sounds intense. What was the biggest challenge they faced?
The existing course lacked consistency and rigor. It wasn't meeting the desired standards.
So they basically started from scratch, right? So they needed a new approach. What was their secret weapon?
They used a combination of three things: action mapping, design thinking, and change management. It was a powerful trifecta.
Action mapping? I'm not familiar with that.
It's a structured approach to curriculum design, focusing on the learner's journey and desired outcomes. Think of it as a roadmap.
And design thinking? That's more familiar, user-centered design, right?
Exactly. They combine that with action mapping to create a learner-centric framework.
So how did the action mapping actually work in practice? Did they just draw a big flowchart?
Not exactly. They use Kathy Moore's model, which is really detailed. It helps you map out each step of the learning process, ensuring everything is aligned with the learning objectives.
So it's not just about the content, but the whole experience?
Precisely. It considers how learners will interact with the material, what actions they'll take, and how they'll apply what they learn.
And how did design thinking fit into this? Was it just about making the course look pretty?
No, it was about understanding the learner's needs and creating a course that truly meets those needs. It's about empathy and iteration, you see.
Iteration, so they tested things out along the way?
Absolutely. They didn't just design the course and launch it. They tested different approaches, got feedback, and refined the design based on that feedback.
Okay, so they had the design, but how do they actually implement the changes? That's where change management comes in, right?
Exactly. Change management is crucial for any large-scale project like this. They had to get buy-in from stakeholders, manage expectations, and ensure a smooth transition.
So it wasn't just about the curriculum itself, but also the people involved.
Precisely. They needed to address the human element of change.
So did it all work? Did they end up with a better certificate program?
Absolutely. The redesigned certificate program met the desired standards, improved consistency, and increased rigor. It was a success.
So a complete transformation. What's the key takeaway here for anyone looking to redesign their own curriculum?
The power of a combined approach. Action mapping provides structure, design thinking provides user focus, and change management ensures successful implementation.
This sounds like a really effective strategy. Do you think this approach could be applied to other areas of education or even beyond education?
Absolutely. The principles of action mapping, design thinking, and change management are applicable to any project that involves significant change and a focus on user experience. It's a versatile framework.
So it's not just about education, but about effective project management in general. That's a really valuable insight. Did they encounter any challenges during the redesign process? I imagine there were some bumps in the road.
Of course, any large-scale project will have challenges. They likely faced resistance to change, resource constraints, and the need to balance competing priorities. But their structured approach helped them navigate these challenges effectively.
So having a plan and sticking to it is key. The paper mentions this was a collaborative effort. How important was that to the success of the project?
Collaboration was absolutely essential. They needed input from various stakeholders, including faculty, students, and administrators. This ensured that their redesigned curriculum met the needs of all involved.
So a truly collaborative effort led to a better outcome for everyone. Once the redesign was implemented, how do they ensure its long-term success and sustainability? Did they build in mechanisms for ongoing improvement?
That's a crucial point. They likely established processes for ongoing evaluation and feedback, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation to changing needs. Sustainability requires ongoing effort.
So it's not a one-time fix, but a continuous process of improvement. Given the ever-changing landscape of higher education, how adaptable is this approach to future changes and innovations in teaching and learning?
The beauty of this approach is its adaptability. The framework itself is flexible enough to accommodate new technologies, pedagogical approaches, and evolving learner needs. It's not a rigid system.
So it's a future-proof strategy for curriculum development. This discussion has been really insightful. It's clear that a well-planned and executed curriculum redesign can significantly improve the learning experience.
Absolutely. It's not just about updating the content, but about creating a holistic and engaging learning journey.
And the combination of action mapping, design thinking, and change management seems like a winning formula. So for anyone listening who's thinking about a curriculum redesign, This paper offers a powerful roadmap.
It's a testament to the power of a well-structured, learner-centric approach.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for sharing your expertise.